how to delete group in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a group on Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete a group in Instagram, there is no simple delete button. Now what you'll have to understand is if you open up Instagram and head into your chat and head into the group, you'll notice that there is no any option to particularly delete group. Now the only way to do it is you have to do everything manually. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to remove all the members, so you can go ahead and check the members here and you can remove them or kick them from the group, and then at the end you can go ahead and leave the group yourself. So this is the only way that you can delete the group in Instagram. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.